ako sa podium magsalita, okay lang ba? I have to match the energy of the great Ingo. Ingo, you have set the bar really high today. Hello, kamusta mga youth leaders? Ganyan nga. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. And today, I am with my family and friends from the Credit Card Association of the Philippines. Thank you so much for bringing me today here. Any ticket that I would be part of the Global Youth Summit, I will take. I think this is quite important, not only for you as the youth, but also for us. You know, we're youth at heart. Nakalimutan ko na maging youth. I'm 41 years old and yet my heart still yearns and dreams like a kid like you. I came from a public school. Sinong taga-public school dito? Very proudly so. I came from Felix Berto Serrano Elementary School in Parañaque. Born and raised in Parañaque, but of course, ang po na dito sa Pasay. Mayor Nami, maraming salamat for of course, gracing us with your presence today. And Sir Roy, thank you for allowing me to get to meet you today. What an honor to be able to speak with people that you can admire, not only for the positions that they hold, but also for the gusto that they have to help the youth, lalong-lalo na ngayon, napaka-importante. You know, my friends at the Credit Card Association of the Philippines have prepared a very interesting slide for me today, and I will keep to it, but I will also tell you a little bit of stories in between. Alam niyo, when we are young, when you are young, ang dami nating mga pangarap. Sino mga malalaking pangarap dito? Ako yan. Of course, the beautiful Carmina Constantino, one of the biggest dreamers and doers of this generation. Kasi sabi nga kanina, di ba, ni Mayor ay kung great intentions lang, marami naman tayo doon. Pero kung hindi natin isa sa buhay, it will only remain as an intention. And no matter how great it is still just an intention. So kailangan with action ang intention. Tama ba? You always want to succeed for your families, for yourself. I am a very proud breadwinner, but I'm also taking care of my really very proud ex-boyfriend of mine who's also here, my husband, Papa B. Papa B, please say hello to everybody. He's so shy. He's very proud to be my husband, by the way. He's just very shy as a person. Kaya mag-hi ka. Yan, ganyan. Iyak-iyak sa ulo ko. And we always want to be able to change the world. No. Sabi nga kanina ni Sir Roy, lahat naman tayo dito ay gusto maging leaders. We want to be able to change the world, make a difference, and we should never wait for anybody's permission other than our own. Hindi ko makalimutan, Sir Roy. Kasi I think it only takes one simple button for you to hit in our minds and say, today I'm going to be a great leader. And you don't have to have followers just yet. In fact, we can all coexist as leaders. We don't have to be followers of anybody other than our own dreams. Big dreams are built through small choices. I believe it. Ang ganda ko sa picture na yan. Thank you po for making that picture. Bagong panganak ako dyan kay Ilyo. Napakayabang ko dyan. Alam mo ba? Para mawala ang manas mo kapag bagong panganak ka. It's a struggle. Do you agree? Do you have moms here? Di ba, Mami? Ito mo, sabi ni Mami, yes. Agad, meron na akong gano'n. Hindi isang malaking desisyon ang ating mga malalaking pangarap. It's always the small choices that make our everyday worth taking. It's always the small choices. Everybody thinks it's a big thing. Kasi sa social media ngayon, lahat ina-amplify malalaking bagay lang eh. Malalaking kwento. Pero nakakalimutan natin that our big dreams are made up of very small, very intentional choices. It's how we spend our time, who we spend it with, sino bang sinasamahan natin. Napaka-importante Sino mga kaibigan nyo? Mga katabi nyo ba yung mga kaibigan nyo? Do you like your friends? You know, sometimes you don't have to like them. You don't always have to agree with them. But you always have to push on with them. And just because you disagree on something doesn't mean you cannot coexist. There's always a healthy way of going about things. Eventually, all these opportunities ay mapupunta tayo kung saan natin gusto mapuntahan. No? Lahat tayo dito may pangarap. tatay ko, libre lang ang mangarap. Totoo ba yan? Totoo yun na, kaya lakihan nyo na. Sabi nga nila, kailangan maging dilulo ka sa mga pangarap mo. Para ma-make sure natin, tama ba yung term ko? Uy, correct nyo ako kasi may pagkalola din ako sa ganyan. Pero di ba, Miss Casey, sabi nila, when you're dreaming big, you have to be dilulo. Dapat lakihan mo na yung pangarap mo. Aba, bakit nililitan mo pa? Libre na nga, di ba? Let me start by bringing you back to when I was your age. Ilang taon na po ba kayo? Ha? 15? 16? 16? 18? Ilang taon yan? 3? Grabe ha? 13? 21? Okay. Alright, sige. Next slide, please. Oh, diba? Wala naman pinagbago sa ngayon, diba? Wala. Ilang taon ako dyan, my love? Nililigawan mo pa lang ako dyan. Nung kanta niyo ako, hindi malinaw ang lahat sa akin. Actually, naging malinaw lang to mga 7 years ago. Ganon katagal yan, ha? Tinig. Kaya huwag kayong mamamadali sa journey niyo. Ang sabi nga ng Billy, ang buhay ay hindi so, hindi ko alam exactly kung saan ako mapupunta nung time na yan. Totoo yan. Ano yung magiging career ko? Kasi dati gusto kong maging doktor. Tapos, nagkaroon ako ng kapatid, namatay na siya. Nagkaroon ako ng kapatid, nagkaroon ng leukemia. Takot pala ako sa dugo. So, na-realize ko, hindi ako pwedeng maging doktor. Pero yun ang malaking pangarap, ha? And the lesson there is, your dream now doesn't have to be your dream forever. You can't change your mind. You can't change your mind. That's the most powerful thing I want you to remember today. That whatever it is that you feel you want today, you can't change your mind. Naging malinaw lang yung pangarap ko as my life was unfolding. Kasi I had plans, but of course, only God knows, and He had a bigger plan. Yung plano nyo ngayon, maliit pa yan. Kasi sabi ni Lord, you know, Dimples, may plano ka. Pero ang plano ko mas malaki. Do you believe that? Do you believe the Lord has bigger plans for you? I believe it. And don't let go of that belief. It's your superpower. I think it's very important for you to always remember, you don't have to always have everything figured out right now. Sino mga naguguluhan dito sa buhay? My love, it's okay. Pwede mo itaas yung kamay mo. It's okay. I will understand. Wow, ang gagaling nyo naman! You have it all figured out. Who doesn't have it all figured out? Thank you. You see, even our rock stars up front don't have it figured out just yet. And that's the beauty of life, you know. You should always start thinking about the kind of person and kind of life you want to build. Sinong mahilig mag-manifest dito? Yun, yun. Ako, I manifest every day. I manifest really realistic things, but I also have unrealistic dreams, okay? Para kasi ang inisip ko, shoot for the stars na, para kung hindi man umabot sa stars, kahit pa paano, nandun pa din, di ba? Looking back, hindi lang lucky break ang nagdala sa akin dito. Hindi ako naniniwala kasi sa swerte. Naniniwala kayo sa swerte? Hindi, naniniwala kasi ako sa dasal at hard work. Diyan ako naniniwala. Kasi kahit gano'n kayo kaswerte, kung kayo hihiga lang buong araw sa bahay, ay walang mangyayari dyan. Na-try nyo na humiga sa bahay, tapos nahulog yung pangarap nyo sa inyo? Unless kayo si Coco sa Sisagabo, ha, na nahuhulog si Julia, hindi nangyayari yun, okay? Sa kanya lang yun. It was a lot of small choices. Small. Sipag? Sino masipag dito? Disiplinado? Pananampalataya? Sino meron nun? Kahit ano pang relihiyon kayo. At pagtsatsaga. Meron na ng asawa ko, ang dami. Sabi talaga ng asawa ko, hindi na ako sasama sa kahit anong talk mo. Siyempre, my love, I'm living it. Okay, sorry. Oh my God! Okay, this is me when I was binibining Paranaque. Okay? Yes. You know, guys, everybody, my mama thought I'd be a good beauty queen. Pinagbigyan ko ng 1 taon. Kasi masunurin akong anak eh. Tsaka sabi niya, malaki yung prize natin kami. Okay na. Totoo yun. Bata pa lang ako, entrepreneurial na ako. Kasi dati, nagtrabaho ko, when I started working at the age of 12. Totoo po yan. Nagsimula po ako mag-artista at the age of 12. Nag-aaral pa rin po ako noon. And I'm a big, like, nerd, if you may call it. So, sumali ako sa mga balagtasan, declamation, oratorical, o di ba napapakinabangan ko naman ngayon? So, all these things came about because I made very small, individual, intentional choices. Ito, nung umuha ko dyan, sabi ng nanay ko, ang price daw 150,000 pesos pag nanalo. Siguro, sabi ko, ay, meron akong babasahing libro, 150 speeches of great people. So, nagbasa ako noon, sabi ko, pag ito, nabasa ko to, at yun ang pinabasa ko for the 10 days bago umabot yung pageant na to, the way I'm reading it, it's the way I'm going to speak it as well. Remember kung sino kasama nyo, kung paano magsalita yung katabi nyo, yan na rin kayo. So, choose wisely. Naku, huwag nyo namang i-unfriend yung katabi nyo. Huwag ganyan baka masisipa ako ng katabi nyo. Sabi ni Ms. Limpos, I should elevate the way I look at people and that's why I'm unfriending you. Huwag ganun You have to, when you're losing together, you also have to know how to win together. Do you believe it? Okay, naku nakikita ko naka-unfriend na kayo, bad yun. I-deny ko yan. Showing up when things were hard. I'm a poster child for always showing up. That's how I'm known for. As you know, in my career, I was never the bida. I was always the support, always the mom of the bida, always the best friend of the bida. And I will tell you something, okay? The power in that is that I knew exactly what my place was. And as soon as you acknowledge what your place is in the world, that will be your superpower. If you keep trying to be somebody else, their success may not be even the success that you want. That's why I know a lot of people who go up to the rocks and when they get there, they feel lonely. Bakit? Kasi hindi naman talaga yung gusto nilang success, na-realize lang nila pagdating na nila doon. So to spare you that heartache, ngayon pa lang, alamin nila kung saan kayo magaling. And utilize that, maximize that, milk it. And you know my superpower is I know how to amplify other people's talents. That's what I'm good with. That's why they always get me as a support. Because whoever is beside me, I reflect their light onto them and they shine even brighter. And for me, that is my niche. I know how to make that work. So bata pa lang ako, alam ko na yun. Tapos natutunan ko mag-kontrabida, ang sarap pa lang maging masamang tao. Joke lang! Joke lang yun! Don't quote me on that! Okay. Kasi kanina sabi ko sa kanila, tatayo ako doon, baka in-expect nila turuan ko kayo maging kontrabida. No. Pero tuturuan ko kayong lumaban para sa inyong mga sarili. A kontrabida is never a kontrabida until they learn how to speak their truth. Don't ever go the route na may masama kayong gagawin. Hindi maganda yun. But take it from the heart of a kontrabida who wants their voice heard. Minsan kasi sa kagustuhan natin maging bida, nagiging pabida tayo. No. Learn how to acknowledge each other's talents. Minsan, hindi mo agad nakikita ang importansya ng ginagawa mong maliit na mga choices. Pero years later, doon mo ma-realize, yun pala yung simula. At ito, ang simula ko. So it may not be something that I thought I wanted because ang totoo niyan, hindi ko kaya maging beauty queen. Kasi yung beauty queen kailangan maging maganda. Takot ako doon, parang nahihila ako, tsaka feeling ko, ang laki ng binti ko, ang laki ng braso ko, hindi ako yung laging pinakamaganda, hindi rin ako yung pinaka-sexy, at any given time ng karera ko, never nangyari yan. Hindi rin ako naging pinakasikat, pero I will tell you, ako na ang pinakamasipag. So, aanhin mo ang husay kung hindi ka naman masipag. At lalong-lalo kung hindi ka marunong makipagkapwa-tao. Kasi, pagdating ng hiring, right, Sir Roy, they will not hire the best one who went to the best schools. I don't think so. They will hire the most adaptable. One who can acknowledge and be humble and say, oh my God, nagkamali ako. What is there to learn? And just like what our good honorable mayor said a while ago, good leaders know how to listen. Buti na lang nakinig ako kanina dahil kung hindi, Hindi pa ako good leader. Paano pa ako kay Mayor? Next slide, please. Okay. The best investment, one of the best choices I made was continuing to invest in myself. And this never stops po. Kasi nga feeling ko, hindi ako yung paborito. Kahit saan ako pumunta, hindi ako favorite. Sa bahay namin, hindi ako paborito. Sa school namin, lalo hindi ako paborito. Sa work ko, hindi ako paborito. But I never took it against anybody. That's just how life is. You know, paano kung never ka talaga maging favorite, eh di magiging bitter ka na lang kasi never ka naging paborito. Now, you always have to make that choice of making yourself your own favorite. Tingnan mo, I don't care about what other people will say about my big calves, or me not being the most sexiest, or the prettiest, or the smartest, because I love myself enough. In short, sa term natin, GGSS. Sino GGSS dito? Yes? Yes, thank you, Mom. Thank you for the support. Oh, ako yan. And when I say invest, it is not only in money. I believe this, you know, I will tell you, I'm the best person to talk to you about growing money because we grew it from nothing. I came from a family that my papa was a former government employee. He earned maybe 3,000 a month, but he earned it with his integrity. He was so straight, not one common bond he wanted to lift off of the office. And that for me is his greatest riches. Yan ang yaman niya sa buhay ng tatay ko. Hanggang ngayon, biruin mo, pag pinapost ko yung tatay ko, pag meron siyang nakatrabaho sa Philippine Postal, sinasabi nila, mabuti yung tatay mo. Hindi ba ganyan ang gusto mong marinig? Na kapag namatay ka na, people talk about you in a way that you never thought they'd talk about you in that way. That's what I want to cherish. And so investing isn't just about money. It's investing in yourself as well. Especially when you're on your waiting time. Nakaabot na ba kayo dun sa panahon na kasi syempre, pag papunta kayo sa pangarap nyo, nandito kayo point A, andun yung point B, pero may dadaanan ka eh. So those days aren't always going to be the best of days. In fact, that's going to be the most trying of days. The waiting time will almost kill me. At the time, I felt parang, my God, ang tagal naman, Lord. Kailan ba yung time ko? Parang naging time na nila, time na ng lahat, tapos hindi ko pa rin time. Pero totoo pala yun, na you have to work through your dreams. And while you are waiting, not only do you praise the Lord, but you also have to work on yourself. You have to prepare yourself for the blessings you're about to take. Hindi pwede na nag-expect ka lang, i-bless ka ni Lord, tapos the best ka na. No. The best leaders are those who know how to wait and invest in themselves. And what are the proper ways for you to invest? Amo, kanina pa ako, sino ba tumatawag sa akin? Oo, mamaya. Si Lord yun. Lord later yun. Di ba ka ready? Invest in education. Now, one of the best things ay education. You don't have to be in a private school to have the best education. In fact, I salute all my teachers from public school because, wow, natuto lang naman ako mag-English dahil sa kanila eh. Totoo yun. Ni-English kasi nila ako. Tapos pag mali ako, sasabihan nila ako. At kapag mali ako, nakikinig ako, so naitatama at naituturo nila ng tama sa akin. Invest in your skills. What you can see here is the NYU badge. You get it when you are very good in class. I took it during the pandemic. Kasi nung pandemya, di ba, medyo ako tayo. Wala tayong ginagawa, nasa bahay tayo, stuck tayo. Nag-enroll po ako. Ang totoo niya, hindi pa ako nakakatapos ng kolehiyo. Kakatapos lang kasi nung anak ko na babae. Nagpiloto siya, by the way, guys. I'm very proud. My panganay is now a pilot in Australia. Yes. So, I think I mentioned to you, my husband and I were breadwinners and we've been putting other people to school. So I put my brother to school, my sister to school, some other relatives that I don't even know, but proudly put them to school as well. And happily, hindi ko yan nare-resent. Tapos na si Kali, kaya ngayon, ang tawag niya sa amin ng asawa ko ay nakakaluwag-luwag. No, I love you. Pwede na tayong bumili mamaya ng popcorn, may popcorn dyan. Pupunta tayo, Sir Roy later. Invest in your confidence. Always work in your confidence. Lagi ba kayo may kumpiyansa sa sarili? Oo, pareho tayo, huwag kayong mag-alala. Kanina, I was just talking to our great speaker over there. Later, you'll get to know more of her. And just to know that she's also nervous for today gives me a lot of confidence. I feel good because kung siya nga kinabahan, tama lang na kinakabahan ako. Tama lang. And alam mo, maganda yung kaba ha? Kasi kaba would push you to heights that you never thought you'd reach. Dahil kung yan, kampante kayong na-reach, hindi pa yun yung pangarap nyo. Kailangan takot na takot kayong ma-reach yun para malaman ninyong yun ang the best para sa inyo. Dahil kung hindi kayo natatakot, hindi lipofit ang tawag doon. Okay? Ang tawag doon ay lukso. Lukso lang yun. Ganun lang. Eh, ayoko na lumulukso. Gusto ko tumatalon eh. Okay? Bago kayo mag-invest sa ibang bagay, mag-invest ka muna sa sarili mo. I want you to take a moment and think about that. In fact, the very moment that you said yes to coming here today at the Global Youth Summit, you are already investing in yourself. Because you could have just stayed at home, told your teachers you're sick. You could have done that, but you didn't. Kaya proud ako sa inyo. Takpakan niyo mga sarili niyo. Yung ginawa niyo today, maaalala niyo to kapag mga big time na kayo mga leaders, and you will be reminded of all the things you will hear today. So I hope to God that even for just a little while, I'll be able to inspire you enough to have that fire burning inside of you. Every skill, every lesson that you build now will open doors for you in the future. Next slide, please. Hindi ko na nasabi sa inyo, nag-enteran ako, nag-school ako. Kaya lang kasi mag-school din yung kapatid ko, so nag-stop ako ulit. And then I was also, sino maalam dito sa UAAP? You know UAAP? Okay. I will tell you, I used to be the sportscaster for UST. Yes. O, diba? English dun. Dito tayo. Kahit di ako marunong sa basketball, because we had a team and they would help me, I would watch it, I would see it in English, and they would see it in Tagalog, and I would say it in English. They really helped me a lot. So that's why I keep going back to telling you that it's important for you to surround yourself with winners and leaders. Okay? Try to avoid, alam niyo yung mga energy vampire? Yung pag kinausap mo lagi may problema, oh my God. Always surround yourself with people who talk about winning more, who talk about being kind, who talk about compassion, who talk about environment, who talk about being leaders. Because then you know you're in the good crowd. As you grow older, eventually, you start earning. Actually, ngayon, kahit na mga bata pa kayo, pwede na kayo kumita. Sino mga sumaside-line dito kumikita? Meron na ba? Minsan nagbebenta, di ba? Huwag sagot sa exam, ha? Bawal yun. Yung mga benta-benta lang on the side, nabili nyo. Yung nanay ko dati bumibili sa Divisoria, binibenta namin sa village, mga ganun lang, no? Money becomes part of your journey. At totoo naman, kailangan talaga natin ng pera. O, ang hindi magtaas ng kamay, hindi magkakapera today. Ay, ang cute nyo talaga! No, maski yung mga posing pa sa credit card association. Kasi yung credit card, pera yan ha, makakala nyo card lang yan ha. Mamaya I will get to the point. Money is a tool, pero para saan? No? Why is it important for you to love money and know how to use it? Okay. May mga tao sasabihin nila na okay lang ako kahit ako mayaman, kahit wala akong pera. Uy, huwag yung sasabihin yun. May mga nakikinig. At sabihin ni Lord, ay, hindi pala kailangan ng pera. At sige, huwag na. Ako talaga, Lord, kailangan ko pa ng pera. Pwede mo pang ibukas. Huwag kang mahiya. Yes, Lord, thank you. By the way, welcome to my morning prayer. I really say, Lord, you know what? Give me your best today. Show me your best shot today. Let me know how much you love me today. I don't want to have any doubts today if you love me. So go ahead and please shower it all to me. At kasama dyan yung pera. Siyempre, para sa pamilya, pangarap, para sa paglago, at para makapagbigay. Because you will not be able to give anything that you don't have. So instead of asking, how much money do I want to earn? Ask yourself, what kind of life do I want my money to help me build? Totoo yan. So dati, pag ako nag-aartista, yung pong pinupunta ng pera namin ay lupa lang. Hindi sa paso. Lupa, bumibili po kami ng lupa. Kaya may mga pangalan yung lupa namin. Danny Girl, Amanda, mga pangalan ng mga mga babaylan. Alam nyo na, pag sa bundok si babaylan. And this is something that I want to share with you that I hope I understand. I understood when I was younger. Your financial future doesn't suddenly begin when you get your first salary. That's not true. That's not true. It starts much earlier with the small choices you are making with your money you have today. So hindi mo kailangan malaki kinikita para makaipon ha. Hindi totoo yun. emergency fund, yun ang totoo. Hindi kaya ng sweldo ko magkaroon ng emergency fund. Okay, ngayon na lang yan. Eventually, you may now learn to use credit wisely and how to invest. Hindi kailangan madalian. Okay, next slide please. Hindi nyo rin kailangan makipag-compete sa ibang tao. Ingat kayo sa social media kasi ang nakikita mo lang dyan, puro magaganda, puro magagaling, puro the best. Pero hindi mo alam ang struggles behind that. So let's be kinder to one another. The most important thing is habang lumalaki ang income ninyo, kahit from your allowance pa, dapat lumalaki rin ang disiplina ninyo. And notice this, credit, remember, credit is not the beginning of the journey. Marami munang habits na kailangan matutunan bago yun. Next slide please. Utang. Sino may utang dito? Wow, konti na may utang. Dami ko po utang. Walang dami may utang. And you know why I love utang? Kasi nadadaya ko yung sarili ko. Alam niyo ba, pag wala akong utang, napakagastos ko. Pag dumating yung pera, kunwari 1 million kinita mo, naku, 900,000 bukas wala na yan. Kasi wala akong binabayaran. So, nung na-realize ko na magastos pala akong tao, nangutang ako ng nangutang sa bangko at kumuha ako ng credit card. Because that way, natitrick ko yung sarili ko na, wait a minute, kailangan mas maging maingat ako dahil meron akong mga responsibilidad. Ang credit card payment responsibilidad yan na hindi basta kiniskas mo yan at naisip mo wala na yon. Diyan may mga nababaon sa utang kung wala kang disiplina. Hiram na pera, ay kailangan mong bayaran. Kahit anong hiniram mo, maski ballpen, kailangan mong ibalik. Agree? Borrowing in itself is not automatically bad. I believe it. In fact, I like loaning in the banks and doing credit cards because I want to build bigger utang. Para pag may mas malaki akong babayaran, mas malaki yung tiwala sa akin ng bangko. Ganun yan, ha? Kasi hindi naman nila makikita kung ano ang behavior ninyo bilang nangungutang kung hindi nila na-testing. So, ang ginagawa ko, ito side quest, ha? Pag may credit card kayang bayaran, bayaran mo. Dapat yan, ha? Kapag naman may utang kayo sa bangko, home loan, car loan, kami ng asawa ko, mangungutang kami for 10